All right, that's it. That's how it goes. This is the water cooling kit just for the X1 and P1. Hi everyone, this is a water cooling kit. We just designed for the X1 combo and P1, and this how it looks. And this tool type is for the water cooling pipe. Okay, take out the hot end. This is how it looks like. All the parts made by CNC cutting. It looks like shining, isn't it? And put that on. Let's screw it up, open it up to see how they install it inside. And that's it. This spray part. This part is for the whole end. This one is our design for the X1 and P1 extruder, all by CNC cutting. And we put a front cover on. And here we managed for the wiring for the heat end and temperature sensor, for the temperature sensor with this hole. And this was original extruder. And this is our upgrade extruder. And this little tube right here is for water cooling. All right. We open it up, see how it's going. Oh, you want to see V6 nozzle? Yeah. For the auto leveling. Wait me a second. I will bring it here. Or you guys want to see? Or you guys want to see the buffer? The filament buffer? We can open it up, see how it's. What's inside the packet? Little. This little pack is for what? For the wiring. The terminal. And we got our filament buffer inside. This is return button, and this is loading button. We can put it on our Voron, VZBot, and most of the printer on the open source. This is our filament buffer. The filament is loading in this side. In the right side. 你说啥？给我看一下。Oh, wait. We have a look at the our water cooling kit. I was talking about Bambu. I was not. Oh, nah, that's. 问一下这个是 V6很久，这是不是 V6很久？不是 V6。Okay. Oh, that is not V6 nozzle. You mean this? You mean this nozzle? Later this year, I will buy the filament buffer for my. Okay, thanks very much. This one is the design for this nozzle is combined with this hot end, combined with this the whole hot end. Okay, you're welcome. This little tube right here is for water pipe. We can have a look of the how to install it. Right, all right. We can see right here. We have the front cover. We have this is our front cover. And once take it out, and it should look like this. It looks like this. All there is CNC cutting by CNC cutting. And also this have we got original Bambu X1 and P1 extruder. See how it's different. And it's lightweight. We professional design the hollow for the lightweight. And we also manage the wiring here for the piping and for all the heater and the sensor. We all can manage the wiring here, right over here. All right, we put it back. This is 有多少个人看？ 非常棒 ，very nice。
这边有没有在？
哦。Do you have to turn your camera see thermal condition for printing? Let's go to PAPG Extruder 200. You mean the camera? We don't have sell any camera. Okay, we can see. All right, we keep speaking our film buffer, and this is reload button, and this is return button, and filament go in this side, in the right hand side. You can go as with Varon, VZBot, and 80%, like 100%, like open source 3D printer. Open it up, see how it is inside. This is how it looks like in the inside the buffer. We have the two little sensor right over here to see the filament is loading or return. Yes, sir. And this one is not support TPU that kind of a filament. It's not support the TPU filament. Can take a look. Take a look again of the our nozzle, the hot end nozzle. And we have our new launch metal board. It's called C5. Let's see what is inside the package. There's 2 pack of the terminal for the wiring, and this Type C. You can have a look the C5. We just launched last month. It's combined host computer and MCU together. This board is combined MCU and host computer together. And it support 5 drive. And we have the HDMI micro HDMI right over here. And we support 5 drives right here. And this part and this part is for power loss. And this part is for M2WE. It's combined memory, 16 gig memory, and MWE 上面有16 G， 还有一个什么
WiFi
？And 5 gig Wi-Fi SIM chips.
Filament
关了看不清楚。
这是要测试高温啊。
他看不清，就是给他们看啊，他们看不清楚测试有啥用。Hi everyone. This water cooling kit for the X1 and P1. Our water cooling kit is putting on the X1. And this is the front cover. All by CNC cutting. And this is the pipe for the water pipe. This is designed for the X1 and P1 hot end, water cooling hot end. And when we combine it together, And we have leave some little space for the wire manage. For the water tube, can manage in here, and the heater, also the temperature sensor. We can manage all the wire in right this little space. And we can see is how it's different between the original extruder and our upgrade extruder. And we specially designed for the lightweight. It's all by CNC cutting. And we have some hollow and space right top of over here. Hi everyone, this is our Bambu water cooling kit for the X1 and P1. And this part is our design for the extruder, for the water cooling kit. And this two little tube right here is for install the water pipe. And we put it back together. That's how it looks. You can see the difference between the original extruder and our upgrade extruder. It's all by CNC cutting. And we designed the lightweight. We designed for the lightweight. We put the hollow right over here. And we save some space for the manage the wiring. All the temperature temperature sensor and heater, or the water pipe can go through right over here. Can go through this little space right here. And this is our filament buffer.什么？没有，我这很尴尬。And this is our filament buffer. And we have the reload button right here and return buffer right here. And this one we can see how it works. It have the two little sensor right here to see how it works. And we have our and this is our new launch C5 board. We have the HDMI terminal and FPC wiring. This interface for the FPC wiring and network interface. And this one is for M2WE. It's a M2 interface. This board is combining host computer and MCU together. The host we upgraded to H618. This is our new launch C5 board. It supports 5 drives right here. And we got FPC interface here. And micro HDMI interface and network interface. And is also offset to USB interface. Right here we have the SD card reader and M2 interface for our M2WE. Hi, I've been modeling and design and the free trees using some mellow gear. What will make some overall? Today we're gonna show. Today we're gonna show the extruder for the just for the Bambu lab. So next time we're gonna show more extruder for the experience printer. The extruder is all by CNC cutting. And this one is the water cooling pipe, water cooling hot end for the Bambu X1 P1. And combine together. This is how it looks. And this little space, we save some little space for the wiring, for the water piping, for the water pipes, and temperature sensor, and a heater. And we also designed for the cover. We also designed the cover That's the space we save for the extruder for wiring. Hi there, BRB. What does that mean? BRB. You still want to take a look of the how to install it? All right. This is how it's stored in our printer. We can see all the wiring is managed in this space, and the bottom part is the water. You can see, and this is the water pipe. Okay, I managed the water pipe with it. We can have a look again. This is our front cover. Our front cover. This one is how it looks inside. Our extruder, all by CNC cutting. Okay, we put it back and keep printing. All right, put it back, keep printing.这种东西我回答不了这东西，不用给我看了。你不懂的，你用翻译。
回答不了问民歌。
Alright, this is our X1 and P1, just for the X1 and P1 water cooling set. And if you want to see the filament buffer, and this is reload button and return button. And its function is let's stress the extruder extruder. And we also make the video on our official page. You might want to have a look. And this is how it's inside looks. Once again, this terminal is connected to the UART port. As long as the port you have the UART port, you can connect it. No matter which brand is it. Mellow, or or yellow dark company. All right. This one is extension board for the water cooling kit. We have 12 volt and 24 volt for the fan for the fan and pump for the water cooling pump. And we can have a look of the back of the water cooling. This is the water pump. And we can have a look. This can we put the little tiny bottle, put it right behind the behind the X1. And we have 12 volt fan, and the pump and the fan is all power supply is 12 volt. And have a look the package what we'll have inside. The PVC tube for the whole system running. The water tube. And this is our water pump. Our water pump. And this is our expansion board. And here we have the power supply. Directly connect to this side could directly connect to the printer. And this interface right here, we connect the AMS interface. And right down we have 12 volt and 24 volts power supply. Are you running a D5? You mean the board, D5 board? Yes, we have. Yes, we're still running the D5. So you might order on our official website, or either way you can order on the AliExpress. Even with the dual extruder on H2D, now right at the moment we only supply for the X1 and P1. We only support X1 and P1. Oh, want to see a pump? Yes, it is. And we can turn it over the whole printer. We can see how it is installed. This is our water pump. This is water pump. And our water can combined together. This is our water pump and can. And this is our tiny extruder, or by CNC cutting. Okay. Oh, you mean buying the 3D printer? Okay. So you're gonna buy a H2D, isn't it? Is it a D5 water pump? What do you mean? D5 is a board. This one is the D5. D5 board. This one is the MCU. We support 5 drive. It's very popular in metal shop. D5, and we got right over here we have D8. So D5 and D8 is very popular. D series is very popular. Oh, beautiful extra. Thank you very much. Molds, thank you. It's a lightweight extruder. And we can see how it's different between the original, the back, and it's lightweight. We put some hollow right over here. And we save some space right here for the wiring. And this one is what we're looking for. The water cooling hot end. This one is what we're looking for, the water cooling hot end. DDC and the D5 are most commonly used water pump for the What are the benefits of adding it? This is the whole extruder. This is how it looks. The original extruder. And this one is our upgrade for the X1 and P1. The water cooling extruder, water cooling pipe. This little tube right here is for the water cooling pipe. Let's see, and we can change the decision, change the way. Yep, and manage them. And we specially designed the little space here for the water tooling wiring, for the water pipe wiring, and the temperature sensor and the heater. And we also have the new products right here. This is our C5 board. C5 board. It supports 5 drives. And this one is MCU and host computer. The host computer, we use the H618. Okay, as we can see, H618 MCU. And we have the FPC interface, micro SD interface, and two USB port, and M2 interface. And this is the card reader. Use manual parts. You already used the manual parts. Okay. Okay. So which one are you gonna do? Which printer are you gonna do? You're gonna build. Hey, Mart, you there? Yeah, it is. It's a good numbers. 40,000 in social media. And this is our expansion board for the water cooling pipe, water cooling. the running the whole system using this expansion board. It supplies 12 volt, and maximum is accept 24 volt. And this one, the interface, we have a power supply directly to the X1 printer. Later on, when we have the 10 minutes to finish the parts, and we can turn it over and have a look how is the backside, how we install. And this interface is for Bambu AMS for switching the power supply. I want to search and build original design board. Currently, I'm modeling Ender 3 V3. Ender 3 V3? Okay. So we for a Voron. And we also have the upgrade for Voron. We want to see the wait a minute. I take our new upgrade for just for Voron. I am back, everyone. We also have the heat core 4 ALPS for the Voron auto leveling. For the pressure leveling. As we can see, we already put on Voron. It's doing the scanning right here. It's doing the scanning, the hot bed scanning. All right, we have a look of the what's inside in our ALPS. And we have the heater wire, and some space, and then paste, and the temperature sensor. And here we go. This one. Oops. This one a little wiring for connect the expansion port. For connect this little wiring is for the expansion port. All right, put it back. You can have a look of the this one is for V6 nozzle, V6 hot end. This one is our pressure leveling scanner. You can call it scanner. Our heat cord 4 ALPS. And the heater is supports 40 millimeters. And this one is supports V6 nozzle. It supports V6 nozzle. I'm all about helping community with the directly. I want to run that whole instead of the Batman setup. Okay. We're speaking to the point of the furniture of the person to see for the Volvo 250 using it there. We also put using our heat core 4 on our Volvo 250. Or two. This little tiny board is for heat core 4. This is how to install it. And we can take a look of the scanning. That we can see this our expansion board. It's very messy, I have to say, but this one is for our test. So we don't have the time to manage all this wire. We have 6 minutes to finish the printing, and we can turn it over to have a look how we install it at another side of the pump and water cooling pump and the fan, everything. I would love to thicken the point of the journey changing the background consistency of a one Excel hotend. I'm all about helping the community. You can take a look of the extruder. and our hotend. It's very shiny though. And we have a little front cover right here. Take a look of our extruder. The little tube for the water tooling, water pipes in and out. And management nicely. And some people always worry about the water cooling might leak, but we have tested to around 6 months. It doesn't. It doesn't. What do you say? That sounds a good weekend project. Malts. That sounds a good weekend project. Yeah. Okay. All right. We got here. Have the 2 minutes to finish printing. We try to speed it up a little bit. It's our. This is how the extruder looks like. Hey, Mark, can you leave your contact in the comments? I would like to talk to you a bit. Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. All right. Wanna see? Have a look of the how it works. Looks good. The bottom top looks very smooth. All right. We turn it over the printer and see how it comes with the whole system running. This is how it works with the our water cooling. A little bit messy. Oh shit. And this is our water can and our farm is our connecting to the expansion board right over here. And it directly connected to the AMS port. Can't reach that. And we can connect AMS here in this interface. And this is our in and out water cooling pipe. And this is pump. We also supply the model for the adapter. You can use printer to print it out. We also designed a little bit hollow here to let the air flow, let the air go through. Industry expand in water cooling. Oh, wow. This sounds good. All right, we might finish this live stream in 5 minutes because it's lunchtime. I'm gonna go for a break. Or you still have something wanna have a look, wanna have a see, and you can leave on the comment. Shut down the power first and see how it goes. This all the wiring for the water pipe. Or maybe we can work with you, mobs. And we also have the VZBot water cooling. Right here, you can see. This also 12 volt fan. And the pump also 12 volt. Just expand in water. I'm also industry expert in water cooling. Wow, that's good. That's good. That's good. I can see how I can find a way to contact you. Check the very soon. It's a big TV person. Thanks for making amazing product. We need more. We need more customers to be aware of. Be away from metal. Why is that? So why is that? Or you want to still want to say VisiBot? That's we're gonna launch the upgrade VisiBot like later this year. You want to see VisiBot? And we have the little screen right here. This is our water cooling VisiBot.